Okay, we know the uterus is throwing a tantrum right now, but let's send in the cleanup crew. First, send in Ginger. He's the bouncer. He fights off prostaglandins. Those are the little chemical jerks causing all the inflammation and pain. Next, Peppermint. He brings the menthol. Think of him as the AC unit. He chills out the muscle spasms so the walls stop squeezing so hard. Then there's Chamomile. She raises glycine levels, which is basically a lullaby for your insides. Good for cramps, great for the anxiety that comes with them. And finally, Raspberry Leaf. He's the contractor. He tones the actual pelvic muscles, making the whole house stronger for next month. Pick your player and brew some tea. Your insides will thank you.